morning, guys. The next day, we're gonna get to hustling. Like I told you guys, we're gonna use the Bobcat today. That's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna load this baby up. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the beast. Getting ready to go pick up the floor mats. Go. Alright guys, check it out. Part of having a good day is getting your lunch packed by your mom or your wife, whatever. My mom packs my lunch, thankfully. So this is what I eat in the mornings. I usually go to work out in the morning. Today I didn't go. I was too tired, but I'll go later tonight. Usually wake up at 5. I'll be at the gym at 6, get out at 7:30, and then go to work at 8. We're gonna follow the cat. Walk with me real quick. I'll show you guys what we're doing. Today we got the setup. Today we got the dump. The American flag. We're running with the American flag today. This is what we did last week. Check it out. We poured this on Friday. So we did an apron extension here, and then we did. What's up? Ahorita le digo que lo mueva. Vamos a bajar el gato y todas las. Aquí del pasto las flores. We got floor mats because we're gonna protect the concrete that we poured last week. Right here, check it out. It's still curing a little bit. Came out really good. See las floor mats. Vamos a bajar las floor mats. Check out Chicho right here. Just came back from Mexico. So this is the concrete pad we poured, guys. Check it out. Show them quick. We poured this on Friday as well. We poured all that. We poured 5 yards Friday, 5 yards of concrete, and then we graded this lawn last week. Was it Thursday? Yeah, it was Thursday. So we graded it Thursday. Check it out. I didn't even show you guys any. I think I took some before pictures. I'll show you some before pictures. It was a whole bunch of roots everywhere. A whole bunch of there used to be a huge weeping willow tree here, so you already know those trees release a lot of suckers. So that's what we ended up doing. We brought our Harley Rig. We had to rent our Bobcat the first day just because we didn't want to get it dirty. We were wrapping it. We actually wrapped it yesterday, like I showed you guys. So we're pretty much ready to install the lawn. You can see the pigeons on there eating some worms. You guys see the pigeon eating some worms right now? Bother the pigeon real quick. I didn't want to hit it, but you already know. That's the pigeon there. So we're gonna be getting ready to install the lawn right now. My brother's on the way with the seed and everything. We got the topsoil. We actually went to go pick that up this morning. We're gonna set up the floor mats here, unload the Bobcat, and then we're gonna move the vehicles, back the truck in, and unload the topsoil. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'll show you guys once we get rolling on it. So let's go. Check it out. We had a little something happened here, I guess. After pouring the concrete, somebody was probably walking by and they try to write a K and a P in it. You guys can see the K and P. We're gonna try and rub that out. Hopefully we can. The homeowner's a little bit upset, but we'll try and fix that. It wasn't our fault. Somebody came in after us and was probably messing around. So we're gonna try and fix that for them. Hopefully it goes well. Yeah, I'll show you guys if we do fix it, I guess. We're getting the topsoil ready to get installed. Check it out. We put the floor mats. Put the floor mats in there. And then we'll show you guys a little bit of clips as we're hauling in soil and spreading. So stay tuned for that, guys. It's gonna be cool. Paca. Finished result. Check out how it came out. Somebody had purposely wrote on it, but we took it off as best as we could.
We showed it before. Now you can't really see it.
Still there, but you can't really see it that much. We put seed, topsoil. We didn't have enough straw for the front, so I mean, that's fine either way. The pictures are cool, so there's no big deal with that. Put a little bit of water more this way, and then we got this beautiful concrete here. Obviously, it's a little bit dirty, but it's nice. It's came out good. Now we are going to the backyard. Check it out. It's all done, completed. Pretty much used straw mats down there. You guys can tell, just because of the steep hill. And then a little bit of using straw for the rest of the lawn. We do use fertilizer too, so we put a seed starter fertilizer with a seed when we install these lawns. And then right over there, the homeowner is gonna be putting a flower bed, so we didn't really put mulch over there or anything. That's pretty much it. I believe the homeowner is getting a gazebo installed. I don't know if we're doing that or they're doing that, but it's in the garage right now. Check it out, cool here. I know we're not supposed to really step on it right now, but it's fine. We don't weigh that much. So let's go up here. Everything looks nice, guys. Check it out. Check out the view. Boom. Came out good. This straw mat is gonna hold for the water. That's pretty much where we install this. We pretty much install this on any slope. We try to at least install it in any slope possible, just so you don't have the dirt running off with the water when it rains, it pours. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we're done for this project. It's still early. We're on to the next project. It's like 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. something like that. We're gonna go out to another little project and see what we get rolling. Probably won't record that. I'm probably only gonna record bigger projects this year, just because the smaller ones are like we get them knocked down too quick that I can't really record much. So we're pretty much just gonna be recording the bigger projects and the bigger picture for you guys, showing you guys how we tackle these projects. Right now we have plenty of guys, but we're actually a couple of guys short, so it's whatever. The more crew is gonna be starting next week or later in the week. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in and tuning. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and stay tuned for the next video, guys. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. I told you guys I wasn't gonna record, but this ended up being a little bigger project than I thought it was gonna be. We're pretty much doing the cleanup here at this property. We got the guys over there. Check it out. We're doing the cleanup. This whole bed was infested with weeds. I should have showed you guys before, but oh well. It was like really packed with weeds, so prickly weeds. Got a bunch of like prickly ones, but it's all clean now. Check it out. The bobcat got muddy. Let's go to the backyard real quick. Check out the backyard. We ended up draining this. It was sitting water here and there. It was all muddy and messy. It's still muddy, but we ended up grading it. We gave it some pitch from there all the way down to the ground over here in that corner. Right now we're just gonna bring in some topsoil and just top dress it and then seed it probably tomorrow, because I don't think we have any seed left. But That's pretty much what we're gonna be doing right now. It turned out to be a decently sized project. I thought it was gonna be, you know, a baby project, but it's actually pretty good size. So we got here like at 3 p.m. or 2, like almost, yeah, I would say 3 p.m. We started at 3 p.m. So it's been, well, a couple hours so far. It's like about to be 5 maybe, or like 4:30 I think. But we're gonna get going on this, and hopefully we can get this bobcat clean, because we just got this wrap done and it's already muddy. But that's how it is, guys. That's why we gotta make some money. We gotta make this worth it. It's pretty much 5 guys or 10 guys, if you want to say, on payroll. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go all the way down there.
Huh?
Ahí no le vamos a echar tierra, Beto. No, vamos a echar para acá. Ahí no le echamos semilla. Como que así se va a dar el pasto ahí.
¿Cómo que así?
Check it out, guys. That's pretty much what we got wrapped up. We're probably short a little bit of soil here. We'll just bring that tomorrow with the wheelbarrow. So we ended up bringing in topsoil, spreading it out. You guys can see the difference now. It's a lot cleaner. There's obviously leaves in there. The guys are blowing off the leaves into the woods. But this is pretty much wrapped up. They got a cleanup done. I'm not gonna show you too much of the cleanup. They pretty much cleaned all the weeds in every single flower bed that there was, except for right there. I think it's gonna get sprayed, or I think that's ground cover. Yeah, I don't know. I think that's ground cover. But yeah, pretty much everything got cleaned up, edged, and ready for mulch, I guess. I'm gonna show you guys the front real quick, but that's the back right here. Boom.